Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dr. Sebi Cure is probably one of the most controversial and debated cancer treatments, attracting significant attention for its claims of effectiveness against various cancers and other health issues. This video will delve into the details of Dr. Sebi's approach, examining its core principles, the scientific evidence supporting or refuting its claims, and the potential benefits and risks associated with this alternative cancer treatment method, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Dr. Sebi's Treatment Book. This book explores the various treatment methods developed by Dr. Sebi. It offers insights into his approach to health and wellness. Discover the natural approaches Dr. Sebi suggested for managing sexually transmitted diseases. Learn about the underlying principles and potential benefits. This section delves into Dr. Sebi's perspective on herpes and HIV. Understand the proposed methods and their potential impact. Explore the natural treatment options for diabetes and lupus, based on Dr. Sebi's methods. Learn about the supporting evidence and potential limitations. This part of the book examines Dr. Sebi's approaches to hair loss and cancer. It provides details on the suggested treatments and their potential effects. Learn about the natural remedies suggested for kidney stones and other diseases. It also covers the holistic approach to overall health. What we like. It addresses various health issues beyond cancer. It emphasizes natural healing methods. If you seek a comprehensive guide to holistic treatments for multiple ailments, this is the book for you. What people say. Nice size print, especially for a gal that wears glasses. I like how this book not only tells you what you should do but also how it should be done. It's easy to read and understand, and recipes are there for use. Number 4. Dr. Sebi's Cancer Cure. Discover a holistic approach to cancer treatment. This method emphasizes natural healing and plant-based nutrition. Learn about the core principles behind this unique approach. It focuses on restoring the body's natural balance. Explore the importance of a plant-based diet in this healing method. It's a cornerstone of the treatment plan. Discover various natural remedies used in conjunction with diet. These are designed to support the body's healing process. Understand the potential benefits of this holistic approach. It aims to empower individuals to take control of their health. Learn where to find more information and support. This method encourages a comprehensive approach to wellness. What we like. It simplifies Dr. Sebi's cancer approach. It prioritizes plant-based nutrition. If you prefer a straightforward, plant-focused approach to cancer treatment, this is a good choice. What people say. This book is worth buying. It holds a lot of health information. This book has helped me a great deal as a cancer patient. Good reading. Had a lot of good knowledge. I have told others to come here to get this and other books. Number 3. Dr. Sebi Cancer Cure Guide. This guide explores Dr. Sebi's methods for fighting cancer. It emphasizes detoxification and the use of specific herbs and diets. The initial focus is on cleansing the body. This process is crucial for preparing the body for further treatment. Discover the specific herbs recommended by Dr. Sebi. These are believed to have powerful healing properties. Learn about the alkaline diet Dr. Sebi advocated. This diet plays a vital role in supporting the body's natural healing abilities. This guide provides a complete plan combining detoxification, herbal remedies, and dietary changes. It's a holistic approach to cancer treatment. Hear from others who have used these methods. Their experiences offer valuable insights and encouragement. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor. What we like. It offers a detailed detoxification plan. It incorporates herbal medicine for cancer. If you're interested in a comprehensive guide to detox and herbal cancer treatment, consider this. Number 2. Dr. Sebi's Ultimate Juicing Recipes. Discover the secrets to harnessing nature's power for your health. These potent elixirs are designed to support your body's natural healing capabilities. It's time to unlock your body's innate ability to heal. These recipes provide the essential nutrients to help you thrive. Feel the difference as it nourishes you from the inside out. It's a delicious way to boost your vitality and energy levels. These recipes are a powerful tool in your journey to wellness. They are designed to support your body during this challenging time. Experience the transformative power of fresh, nutrient-rich juices. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your overall health. Each recipe is carefully crafted to maximize its health benefits. Let these delicious juices support your well-being. What we like. It provides potent juicing recipes. It focuses on harnessing nature's power. If you want to boost your health with powerful juices, this is the perfect option. Number 1. Dr. Sebi's Natural Cancer Treatment. This guide explores Dr. Sebi's methods for addressing cancer. It emphasizes a holistic approach using herbs, diet, and lifestyle modifications. Learn about the core principles behind Dr. Sebi's approach to health and wellness. It focuses on restoring the body's natural balance. Discover the specific herbs recommended by Dr. Sebi and how they are used. This section details preparation and usage instructions. Explore the importance of diet in supporting the body's healing process. It highlights the foods to include and those to avoid. Understand the role of lifestyle factors in cancer treatment. This includes exercise, stress management, and other key elements. Follow a detailed plan outlining the integration of herbs, diet, and lifestyle changes. It provides a structured approach to natural cancer treatment. This section addresses important considerations and precautions to ensure safety and effectiveness. Always consult with your healthcare provider. What we like. It provides a clear, step-by-step plan. It combines herbs, foods, and lifestyle changes. If you need a structured approach to natural cancer treatment, this is ideal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.